Today's video is stuff, but we didn't bring it from another planet. These are videos from our Earth. But you wouldn't think for a second that things like this could happen on our Earth. So let's get started. This is how I speak. No matter how beautiful a house is, nature will speak in its own language. (9,112) Look closely at how many people are trying to bring down the 1 o'clock clock. It actually looks like they are trying to bring down the clock, not a dragon. This slaughterhouse 1 o'clock is a scary scene. The meat of a recently slaughtered bull 1 o'clock is seen jumping. The butcher who slaughtered this bull was quite terrified. However, the person who made this video must be praised for his courage. What do you think? Not only can cut meat move, even whole 1 o'clock trees can move and move from one place to another. Although the scene is quite scary, but at the same time it is quite mysterious and many people believe in them. Again, many people think that these are edited videos. Let us instill new fears in your minds. Just keep thinking it entered your room at night. What to do then? If you know the explanation, please let everyone know by commenting. No, people can't stand here. Is that where this little bird is standing? It's surprising, because it doesn't understand what it should do. It has no choice but to stand here. So it's clinging to the ground there. The landlord certainly didn't plan to turn a house into a floating house like this. However, it is not known what happened to the house in the end. How dangerous can a tiger be? But what else is a cat that is only 1 o'clock in size in terms of mind? This is like a butterfly straight out of a fairy tale. Although it may not be that attractive to look at, just think about its size. It is one of the largest butterflies in the world with a wingspan of 18 centimeters. Nona, your eyes are not deceiving you. You are right. In fact, these fish species can survive in dry soil for 6 to 10 days. 9 o'clock. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Actually, should these helicopters be used in movies? This bus from Pakistan looks like a normal bus from the outside. Wait a minute. No. Yes, it is like the bamboo of the kings of the world. Otherwise, there are private cabins. To be honest, it's possible to live in a Pakistan that no one would want to believe. The document says that humans cannot currently build pyramids. This pet robot dog is already quite a devoted dog, isn't it? J.A. This is called teamwork. No. No. This fight is no less exciting than real wrestling.